Squarespace Logo is a tool that helps anyone create a logo without hiring a graphic designer. You can create a logo for your site or business even if you don't have a Squarespace account. But if you do have a Squarespace account, you can download high-resolution logos for free. To get started, first go to squarespace.com/logo. Add a company name, optional tagline, an icon. Type any term into the search field to find an icon that goes with your logo, or scroll to browse. Drag and drop any object in the logo to move it to a new position, or resize any object by clicking and dragging a corner. You can also change font settings and color. Hold Shift to select multiple objects in your logo and change alignment presets. Experiment until you create a design you love. Then download your logo files. You can download your logo in black, white, or color. All versions are PNG files with transparent backgrounds. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.